Welcome to our lesson about the fillet bead. Let's begin by activating the tool. First, we need to select the bead type. We've got three options: full length, intermittent, and staggered. Full length continues the weld bead. Intermittent is an interrupted weld bead. The staggered option gives us a chessboard type. We're going to check out how the three different types look later in this lesson. Let's use intermittent for my model. Next, we're going to specify the fillet size or the bead size. This value represents the length of the leg fillet bead. In other words, how wide the fillet bead is. The bead length is down below. This refers to the length of each bead segment. Let's make it 10 millimeters. Bead pitch. This is the distance between the start of each bead. I'm going to make it 16 millimeters. Now we select the faces. I'll go to the graphic area, select this face. For set 2, I'm going to select this face and this face down here. And we have our weld bead preview. Let's check other side to activate this control area. Here we can select face set 1 and 2 also. Now let's check out how the different weld bead types look. I'm going to try the full length type. And here is staggered. As you see in the preview, we've got a chessboard fillet bead type. Let's click OK. If I mouse over the bead symbol, we get an annotation symbol. To access the properties, just double-click on the weldment symbol. Let's cancel out of the Properties window. And now let's right-click on our fillet bead and edit. Let's revert back to intermittent. OK. And as you see, the weldment symbol is different now. The first number represents the fillet size. The second number here is the bead length. And the last number is the pitch. I can also click on the fillet bead itself to access these dimensions. Modify as necessary and then click OK if you need to. This concludes our lesson about fillet beads.